And the race is on. Tribal Queen, the favorite pass to begin. Boss Pogi is done by our men racing in third alongside Tabaco. Moving up by Darrell Ian's Melody. Sa Alex is second last, and Life in Manila is running at the tail of the field by about 7 or 8 lengths of the leader. The favorite Tribal Queen by some 3 lengths, followed by Boss Pogi, is stand by our men alongside Ian's Melody, is racing in fourth by a length and a half. Tabaco, Hamza, Alexis, and Life in Manila. Last 500 meters more to run. Tribal Queen still leading by some 3 lengths. Is stand by our men from the outside. Boss Pogi, Ian's Melody, as they race the last 250. Tribal Queen still leading the pack by some 3 lengths. Is stand by our men still running in second. Boss Pogi, Live in Manila, and Tabaco. And nearing the finish line, the icebreaker, number 5, the favorite Tribal Queen. Second, Live in Manila, is stand by our men Tabaco, Boss Pogi, Hamza, Alexis, and Ian's Melody comes last.